Hello, today I would like to talk about my travel itinerary. I will be traveling in July because there's a long holiday which is the summer holiday. And I will be traveling to Taipei because there are many delicious food that I would like to try and there are many beautiful views. About the transportation, I will be taking the DAC airline with a price of 1,500 per person. I will be departing at 12:55 at noon and arrive at 12:45 in the afternoon, with a total flight time of 1 hour and 50 minutes. After I arrive, I will be staying in the Grand Mayflower Hotel, with a price of 1,444 one night and 5,505 nights. I will be visiting the Taiwan 101 Tower, because it is a famous place and it is a huge mall. And I will be visiting the National Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall as well, because it has famous history. Thanks for watching.